Hey, we're at the Salvatore's Entertainment Center here at Genesee Road and Transit right outside of the Buffalo Airport. We're here because we're prepping for our 2-day hands-on Camp Stitchaway event. Alyssa, what are we going to be working on?
All right, so our Camp Stitchaway is Friday and Saturday, April 11th and 12th, and from 8:30 to 5:30. And we're going to have 4 educators coming in to show you and teach you different techniques and tips and tricks on different types of machines.
So the group is going to be split into 4 different cabins, and we have 4 different classrooms. In each of those classrooms, we have an educator. Now, we are providing all the machines, the thread, the fabric, the education, and the fun. So we can't wait to see you there.
Come and join us at Camp Stitchaway. You can either call our stores, sign up online, or
drop on in. Okay, so we're in the Venetian ballroom area. And in this area, we will be placing all of our Bernina long arms for everyone to work with Sarah Thomas. Now, Sarah is a huge long armer with some beautiful work, and we're going to be playing with rulers, but doing a lot more.
You'll be making a beautiful panel that's got a beautiful flower on it, and you're going to be learning ruler work, stippling, and free motion all on the Q series machines. So Sarah, after she's done teaching you, when you go home, she'll give you a pattern to finish that project to make a zipper bag.
Let's look over here, because this is where each morning you're going to have a continental breakfast. So in the morning, we're going to kick off about 8:30 in the morning, have a continental breakfast, coffee, tea, etc. And we're going to gather here as a group. All 4 cabins are going to come together, and this is also where we're going to have lunch. So we have plenty of space, and it's going to be beautiful.
It is. And we're also even going to have a small little vendor mall here so you can purchase other items that normally we don't always have in the store. So a few extra special things. Here we are in the Victorian room that we're going to have Joanne Leonard on this side teaching us on the Bernina 990 with decorative stitches and embroidery.
The latest technology, so this is a really good program. We can't wait to start that off. And then over on this side, we're going to split this room in half. And on this side, we're going to be with Gail Yellen working on chain and cover stitches and overlock. So we're going to explore the serger throughout with a variety of really cool stitches, neat thread to make a table topper and really understand the serger. So we look forward to this classroom as well. We're going to have a camp over here and a camp over there. See you there. We're going to be working on presser feet
with Sandra Swick. So you're going to learn all different types of different feet and techniques with these feet that aren't your usual everyday feet. So come on in and check out these new feet.
And we think this class is going to be the rowdiest because it's right across from the bar. We'll see you there.